Hello and welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin and today I'm going to be opening up my FabFitFun mystery bundle that I picked up from the edit sale for $29. And I was really excited about this today because it's my first time ever receiving one. So I have really no idea what to expect except for the little bit of videos that I have watched about it on YouTube. It could be just about anything in these mystery bundles. So I took a chance and let's see if what I got was worth it. Okay, the first thing I'm pulling out, it says bread and it's called a bread puff. And it looks like a hair tie. Let me double check. Okay, it says it's for your hair or wrist. Okay. So it's cute. It looks more high end because it comes individually packaged so nicely in this bag like this. So let's see. Oh, it's very soft material. Almost like a satiny cotton. It seems like a pretty nice solid scrunchie. The next thing up is from True and Luscious. It's the Spellbinder Makeup Setting Spray. And there is that. Let me see. Okay, it looks like it has pineapple and rose in it. From there, let's see what this smells like. I haven't actually put on any makeup setting spray today, so this is actually perfect. I do smell like a sweet and floral scent, but not too much floral. It's more sweet. Oh, man, that's nice. And it's suitable for all skin types. So this looks like a nice makeup spray. I bet this is pretty high value for that. I'm not really sure how much it costs, but most everything looks pretty high end so far to me. Okay, and next up is, so this is a hand mask, and it looks like it's from the brand Karuna. Okay, it comes with 8 masks in here. So that's a decent amount of masks. So I like that. I like anything to make my hands soft, especially this time of year when it's starting to get really, the weather is getting really cold and dry and just sucking all the moisture out of our skin. I think it's important to keep your hands extra hydrated this time of year. So I'm really excited to try this out. I think this is a good product. So far I'm liking everything in here. Maybe some of the stuff I'm not more as excited about it, but I know it's something that will be used. And the last thing in here looks like it's a big heavy bundle of different types of like planners. And we have the grocery list. Let's get this opened up so we can see them better. So this is stuff I feel like everybody needs in their life, a little bit of organization, especially myself. But yeah, I don't know. So this first thing is a magnetic, this first thing is a list pad that's magnetic. And it looks very cute. It got like the little palm trees and stuff on there. Although since it's more colder, I guess like to be more themed with the season, I would rather see it more like a snowflakes or something like that. But that's okay. Next up is a notebook. And it says the world needs more puzzles. Oh, no, it's not a notebook. It's a Sudoku game book to help keep your brain nice and sharp. Although I don't see myself using this personally, I could always gift this to somebody who I know likes puzzles or likes to do these kinds of things. So that's nice. And then we have a weekly planner. I definitely need this because I don't know how many times I accidentally overbook or double book for days and don't even realize it. I definitely need this. Okay, and I'm just going to open this up and see what it actually looks like, if they all look like that or if that's just examples that they put on the outside of like a little book. So just give me 1 second to get this open here. Okay, so there's just like a little template. It's just like a little template on the cover, just showing you like an example of what you could put in these. And then each individual one, it has the week. It has the week at the top. And it's a weekly plan, and you could put the date up here. And I would imagine you could either rip them out and throw them away as you go, or you could leave them in there to go back and reference and just look at the dates. So this is kind of nice to have, especially if you have a busy schedule and you have multiple children and multiple activities. Always good to have something like this. Overall though, even though I did like and feel like I would use everything in there, I could probably go get this stuff myself for, you know, cheaper, but then it comes with the experience, and they probably are a little bit more high-end products than ones that perhaps you can pick up at Walmart, let's say. I mean, I'm not like terribly disappointed in the box, in the mystery box, because like I will use everything in here, and if not, like I know someone who will. So it's not too terrible like in that sense. Will I get one again? I'm not 100% sure. Perhaps. Let me know in the comments down below if you all want to see more mystery bundles from FabFitFun. That's everything that I had for you today. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching.